Good afternoon. I want to show you about an enterprise implementation of Caresight for patient monitoring. This organization has multiple hospitals. In each one of those hospitals, there are floors and wings. So I'm going to choose the Ridgeway Valley Hospital, um, and I'm going to recalculate all of their alarm data for, in this case, the default being for a particular day. That would be yesterday and the overnight shift and so forth. And I can pick out a particular floor, and the system is completely recalculating all of the alarm activity as it relates to the specific locations that I'm choosing. This is all very easy. No database administration is required. And at this point, I've drilled the system way down, uh, and I can even take it a step further. And I'm going to say, hey, listen, I want to understand what my red alarm data is for that particular period of time. And at this point, I know that for the overnight period and yesterday uh, on the seventh floor in the Heart Center, there were 90 red alarms, average of 6.9 per patient at an average duration of 20 seconds. And that tells the manager or the risk manager or biomedical clinical engineering a lot of information relatively easily. Look forward to detailing some additional information about the Caresight product to you in a future demo.